Stop wasting hours manually checking competitor prices or copying and pasting data into your spreadsheets. Today, I'm going to show you how to build a completely hands-off system that monitors the web for you. We're using Dakota to bridge the gap between the internet and your favorite tools, creating a professional AI workflow automation that runs 24/7 without you having to lift a finger. Let's dive into this. The power of Dakota lies in its ability to work right inside the tools you already use, like N8N or LangChain. This lets you build complex AI workflow automation that triggers based on web changes, without having to write a single line of custom scraping logic. Here, we've logged into Dakota. We're going to copy our basic authentication token, and then we'll paste that into our N8N.cloud dashboard. Connection tested successfully. Now we can use it to start scraping. So what we can do here is actually type in our URL. This is a Walmart link to Apple AirPod Pros. We can select the geolocation or type it in, so we've got USA here. Then we can choose between fixed or expression. Next, we press go and let the output start working. Here we can see it's come back with the result that we're looking for, and now we have all of the metadata for that specific page. We can view this as a schema, table, or JSON file. This is great for accessibility and for bringing it into whatever app we need. We can also edit the output if we want, but overall, I'd say this works fantastically. The point is that we could set this up to run all the time or daily to get updates from various different sites and links. Here, we can go to our dashboard and see the success rate of certain automations, as well as other stats like average response time and success rate too. When you're running hundreds of requests, you can't afford to have your IP flagged or your scrapers blocked. Dakota takes care of the tough stuff like header management and retries automatically. They were even ranked number 2 in Proxyway's independent 2025 web scraping API benchmark. Here, we can see our usage statistics and also our pricing. So right now, we're on the free plan, but we can see there are loads of options depending on the size of our company. So this is basically cost-effective scaling with predictable pricing. Scaling an AI workflow automation shouldn't cost a fortune. Dakota offers a free plan with 2,000 requests for a whole year, no credit card needed, and their paid plans are based on actual usage, so you only pay for advanced features like JS rendering when you really need them. At any time, we can click the upgrade button. Here, we can see there are loads of payment options available, and just like any checkout page, we can go ahead and make the purchase. On the left-hand side, we can see we have access to everything, including our web scraping API integrations, video downloader, and there's even an AI parser there. You can set up this whole monitoring system for free right now. Click the link in the description to claim your 2,000 free requests from Dakota, no credit card needed, and use my code at checkout for 10% off your first paid plan. I'll see you folks in the next video.